So the last thing we're gonna do is make a little whipped cream for you. Man, it's only 2 ingredients. We want heavy whipping cream so we can have a dollop on the side of our plate with our strawberry pie. So we'll take about a cup of heavy whipping cream, whatever brand you like, and you gotta sweeten it up a little bit so it has some flavor. So we add some powdered sugar to it, and it's about a half a cup. And man, the rest of it is just about work. If you're not using a mixer, it just takes a little while. You have to get your arm right in there. One of the coolest ingredients that'll help you a lot, especially if you're making whipped cream to last for a little while, or if you need it for tomorrow, take a little cream of tartar and add it to it as well, and it'll just help give it some body. It'll help keep it, nice and firm a little bit longer. But you can see, the longer I whip, the thicker the cream is getting. And it just takes a little bit. You gotta have, the arm for it. Yeah, this is one of those chef jobs. This is one of those jobs that chefs have to be able to do, make whipped cream without a mixer. But for you at home, I'm telling you, use a mixer. It's a lot easier. A lot less elbow grease. "10 minutes of whipping or so, and you can see, if I whip, you can see how the peaks are held. You just pull it up like that, if it'll hold, if it'll stay up there, see that peak? Beautiful, look at those, awesome. There we go, there we go, there we go. That's okay if that falls off. Give it a nice little lovely dollop right on top right there. That is beautiful strawberry pie. Arnold Farm strawberries. You guys, that is a beautiful dish, man. It doesn't get any better than this.
You can find all our recipes on our blog, cookwithbrooks.com.